Welcome to Python Project 5. Automate your PC. Auto-clean your downloads folder. Your code moves the mouse, presses keys, and sorts your files all by itself. No API key. No internet. Just Python, pyautogui, and the tools built into your computer. Let's build it.
You have told Python to print, played games, built windows, fetched live data, and even talked to AI. Today, Python takes control of your computer. 4 new pieces. Pyautogui to move the mouse and press keys. Pyperclip, the clipboard, os and shidlet to work with files. And RPA, robotic process automation. The magic words for, let the computer do it. And one more thing, this episode needs no key and no internet. It runs 100% on your PC. So what is RPA? Your code calls pyautogui. Pyautogui sends mouse and keyboard events. And those events drive any app on your screen. Move the cursor, click a folder, type a name, press enter. A 1-hour repetitive task becomes one script. RPA means robotic process automation. The big company words for, your script does the clicks. In Python, it is completely free.
First, install pyautogui. If you import it before installing, you get an error. Module, not found error. No module named pyautogui. The fix is one command. Pip install pyautogui. Watch the terminal. It downloads the package, installs everything, and says successfully installed. Pyautogui 0.954. One command, and your computer is ready to follow orders.
Time for the magic. In the shell, import pyautogui. Check the cursor position. Point, x820, y510. Now move it. Pyautogui.moveTo. The same coordinates, duration 1. Watch the cursor. It glides across the screen all by itself. Then double-click. And the downloads folder opens. No mouse. No hands. On macOS, just enable accessibility in system settings first. That is the first wow.
Now the keyboard. Bring up Notepad and focus the text area. Pyautogui.write. Hello from Python. Every character types itself. Press enter and it drops a new line. Hotkey Ctrl+S and the save dialog appears. Key names are simple strings. Enter, SS, Win, Control, Shift, Tab, function keys, even Command on macOS. You are typing with code now.
Here is the classic wall. Type a Korean greeting. Pyautogui.write, open quote, 안녕하세요. And nothing happens. No error. No traceback. The cursor just blinks. Pyautogui only maps English letters. Korean characters are silently skipped. The fix is simple. Copy the text to the clipboard with pyperclip, then paste it with hotkey Ctrl+V. And there it is. 안녕하세요. English with write, Korean with copy and paste.
What if your code goes wild? A bug makes the cursor race across the screen, clicking everything. Do not panic. Grab the mouse and slam it into a corner. Pyautogui raises a FailSafeException and the program stops. FailSafe is on by default. It watches the 4 corners with a tiny pause after every call. That pause is your chance to yank the mouse. Never disable the failsafe. It is your emergency brake.
Now the real project. Clean up your downloads folder. Look at this mess. 6 files all over the place.
Open a new file and save it as organ.py. First, the imports, os and stdlist, then the folder path. Yours will be your own downloads. And the map, extension to folder name. PDF and docx go to documents, PNG to images, MP3 to music, zip to archives, exe to programs. The dictionary is the plan.
Now, the loop. For each name in listdir folder, build the full path. Only files, skip folders, split the extension, and lower it. Look it up in the map. If it matches, make the folder. Mavers, with exist OK true. That flag means safe to run again. Then move the file with shutil.move. Count it, and print the result. Organized, 6 files. A few short lines, and the whole folder is sorted. Run it. The restart line appears. And there it is. Organized 6 files. Look at the downloads folder. Before, a messy pile. After, 5 tidy folders. Documents, images, music, archives, programs. Even a little pop-up says, done. Run it again, and it prints, organized 0 files. Nothing left to do. The script is safe to run every day. Your messy downloads folder cleaned automatically.
Before you go, 4 errors you will actually hit. Number 1, module, not found error. No module named pyautogui. Fix it with pip install pyautogui. Number 2, no error at all. Korean text, nothing typed. Fix it with pyperclip and paste. Number 3, FailSafeException. The mouse hit a corner. Use the corner to stop a runaway program. Number 4, FileNotFoundError. The folder path is wrong. Check it and fix the string. 4 errors, 4 quick fixes.
Here's the whole skill. Pyautogui moves, clicks, and types. Korean text goes through the clipboard. The screen corner is your emergency stop. And os and showow organize your files. List, split, make, move. Today your Python took control of your PC. From now on, the repetitive work is the computer's job.
Your programs control the mouse, the keyboard, and your files now. Next time, let's grab data from the web with Buddhist.Fifi. Until then, try the organizer on your own downloads folder. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy coding.